guys, it's Eva here. I know again that it has been a very long time since I've made a video, and I'm back here with another one. So lately I've been into reading a lot, and as we finished Alina's Starkov Dressed, I'm actually currently reading A Court of Silver Flames by Sarah J. Maas, which is the spin-off series with Nesta Archeron, the wild sister of Feyre from A Court of Thorns and Roses. And I have cosplayed Feyre in the past, and I do love Nesta and how strong-willed she is and how stylish and amazing she is. So I wanted to make another dress with her, and I'm actually gonna do it. I'll try to do it with under 25 euros, which is going to be hard, but I will. Disclaimer, a lot of the materials I'm going to use I've had or I've used in past projects, so that will shorten the bill for that. And I'm going to show you what I bought to start this project and actually do it over a weekend. So first to start with, this is a corset I bought for €3 from my local market. I actually found it and it looked really cool at the time. So it's a golden, black and blue shift, like a blue color. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it has these florals and everything along with the black shimmer underneath. So when I saw this corset, I didn't really have anything particular in mind, but yeah, I was like, okay, this looks cool and I could use it for Nesta. This is quite big though, so we'll need to make this smaller in order to fit me. I also had this, I don't know where I bought this from. I bought the corset for €3 and I had this, I don't know where I bought this from, I don't really remember. I was just looking at my box and I thought, okay, this could go on the skirt, this looks amazing. So this would be the lining at the bottom of the skirt. I've been thinking of adding some black roses, which I've also had from a previous project. I went ahead and bought 4 meters of this amazing black for the skirt, which matches exactly the black on the corset, to do like an alpha skirt as long as little sleeves that will drop down my arms, because we're doing like a very rococo version of it. So yeah, and then for the skirt I had a different design with like flowers at the bottom, and initially I wanted to be a blue and not black, but then I found this amazing fabric which is a blue tint with golden feathers that looks literally amazing, and it has like a little bit of a sparkle, a little bit of a glitter, and I thought, okay, I can put this on top of the skirt to make a train and make it look really, really flashy and really, really long and beautiful. I'm really scared when it comes to like mesh fabrics, because you need to treat them very gentle, like you need to be very gentle with them. And I want to I want to put on top of the dress as an add-on, and make this 4 different sizes as well, in case that I would like to sell it in the future. So I'm gonna hem this and put this on top of the skirt, and I bought 2 meters from this, €3.50 each. So this brings us up for €7 for that, and 2, 4, 6, 8 €8 for this. So we're already at €15. I'll add the corset, do it 18. So I don't have a lot of euros to spend. until I make this really, really nice dress. So I'll keep that money and see how we're gonna do it. On to the crafting part. Okay, so I'm actually at the moment where I've cut some blue ribbon and some black ribbon to put along the waist. I've already sewed the hemline like full on. I was really afraid about how this was gonna be, so I fully lined this up, as well as shortened the corset by sewing basically this. It's a very nice like tip and trick. There is a part of the corset at usually like at the back where you have this, which is mostly like, let's say, useless. So I basically put the inner sides in and I sewed it along this line. And then for the skirt, I've also cut two little row pieces where there will be the sleeves like this. That's how I'm gonna put them. And for the skirt, where is the skirt? The skirt is somewhere here. Give me a sec. Where's the skirt? Oh, the skirt is right here. So I've fully I hemmed the bottom, cut the sides, sewed the one side, and then I did one stitch on the outer like line. That's how it looks at the moment. So it's a little bit floppy, so I'll need to hem it on the upper part as well. So let's go and do that. And after lots of sewing, that's where we at the moment. I think it looks really nice. The corset fits nice. I'm going to add the sleeves, and the hem looks fantastic. And you can also remove that if you don't want it, and just keep the black skirt. Yes, so that's where I'm at. So after a day of sewing, this is where I'm at. I do really love the design. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the full train of the dress. That's the underthing of the dress. Sorry for my kitchen. So it has like a long train. Let me get that a little bit further back so you guys can have like a better look. I'm gonna walk all the way over there. I've added some black roses along the back and the front. These really cool sleeves. You can open them up, flap them a bit more. You can like, I was thinking that, you know, maybe you can like bring them here. I want it like this because I want to have this part of my body really exposed, I guess. So yeah. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll get to photo shoot this very, very soon and you guys can see me in my full attire. Thank you so much for watching and bye!